Feeling overwhelmed by project management? What if you had a super smart co-pilot to handle the heavy lifting? AI is here to transform how you work, even if you're just starting out. Get ready to boost your productivity and streamline your projects like never before. AI in project management isn't about robots taking over your job. It's about using intelligent software to automate tasks, analyze data, and provide valuable insights. Think of it as having a brilliant assistant that handles the tedious parts of your workflow. This frees you to focus on strategic thinking and creative problem solving. AI helps you manage projects more effectively, making your work smoother and more efficient. AI offers incredible benefits for project managers. It helps prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and track progress automatically. Imagine tasks assigned based on team skills and availability. AI also enhances team collaboration and communication. Tools can answer frequently asked questions, schedule meetings, and provide real-time updates. You can reduce risks and make better decisions as AI analyzes data to spot potential issues early. Automating repetitive tasks means increased efficiency. You'll accomplish more in less time every single day. This allows you to focus on what truly matters for your project's success. Ready to dive in? Start by identifying your biggest project pain points. Where do you spend too much time, or what feels most inefficient? Then, research AI tools that address those specific challenges. Begin small. Implement AI in just one area, like using an AI chatbot for FAQs. The key is to integrate these tools with your existing software for seamless workflows. Want to take your automation to the next level? Meet Make.com. This powerful platform connects different AI tools and apps to create automated workflows. It's incredibly easy to use even without coding experience. Imagine this: a new project kickoff is scheduled. Make.com can automatically optimize the meeting time, then an AI tool transcribes the conversation. After the meeting, Make.com sends action items to attendees and adds them as tasks in your project management platform. It's that simple and powerful. AI offers a powerful way to enhance your project management capabilities regardless of your experience level. By embracing these tools, you can streamline workflows, improve collaboration, and achieve greater success. Start experimenting today and unlock the potential of AI-powered project management. Ready to transform your projects? First, subscribe to our channel for more AI insights. Next, visit aiwizardry.me and sign up for our newsletter to stay ahead. Finally, click the link in the description to start your AI automation journey with Make.com. Your future self will thank you.